Hey everybody, Joel Kelfi here from Bioionic, and today I'm going to teach you how to get optimum performance out of your SmartX blow dryer utilizing the cleaning cycle. Now you should be running a cleaning cycle at least once a day if you're using it behind the chair, or once a week if you're using it at home. It's very simple to do, and it all starts with a visual inspection of your filter cap. Clean as necessary if you need to do that, and then pop that off and take a look at your microfilter. Now, if you see a lot of debris built up inside here, use your cleaning brush that came with your blow dryer just to remove any of that excess. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is hold down the negative airspeed button for 10 seconds while the dryer is turned off. This will engage the cleaning cycle, reversing the airflow, sucking in from the front, blowing out the back. Now, the cleaning cycle will run automatically for 15 seconds before it turns itself off. Again, do this once a day and you'll be in great shape. Now, if you see heavy buildup around your microfilter, all you gotta do is take some isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab and utilize that to just kind of get up any type of product residue that may have built up on your filter. Follow that up with a cleaning cycle, throw your cap back on, and you're ready to rock and roll. Check out the instructions for more detailed information on how to care for your SmartX.